like being on my own. I could use someone to hold, and I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore.
How you doing, guys? Today I'm in Sanur, just next to the Mercure Hotel. Today's vlog will be about how it looks, the situation in Sanur. Before we start the vlog today, I just want to talk about the one thing, and somebody asked us about the current situation in the airport. Actually, we was planning to make a vlog in the airport, however we cannot make it because at the moment any kind of videos making in the airport is not allowed. So international airport terminal is totally quiet, and it's as quiet as it's not even lights on there. So at the airport is just super quiet. It's like looks like a closed. It's actually officially open, but there's no flights. It's just a few flights from Qatar Airways. If they are not cancelled, it's very low demand. You cannot enter to Indonesia anyway if you don't have a valid KITAS visa or retirement visa. So it's just super quiet till 11th of September. Hopefully on 11th of September everything will come back to normal. And so that's it about the international airport in Bali. Sorry guys, unfortunately for these reasons we cannot make a vlog over there. However, thank you so much guys for this sort of comments, and we are so happy as you are watching us, guys. I hope so you enjoy it. That's motivating us to making every single day the new video for you guys. If you have any idea, suggestion, or maybe you just wanna have see something what you are curious or you are missing from Bali, just comment below. For sure we will answer, and gonna try to make a vlog for you. However, if it's possible, unfortunately in this case about the airport at the moment is impossible. Probably at least till the time as we gonna go somewhere. We're gonna go somewhere, bye. About the weather and stuff, as you can see, the sky is super beautiful, clear sky, blue, water is so warm, and it's so quiet in the same time. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation in Sanur so far. I think I'm gonna have a coffee in Genius Cafe. Of course I will show you guys about that, and the rest of the vlog will be the first view from the Dunkin' Donuts going by bike till the Mertasari beach. So that will be at the end of the video. I hope so you will enjoy it.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold, and I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are, and I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall, but I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you.
Alright guys, so now I'm in the Genius Cafe and I'm gonna have a hot cappuccino, and this super nice girl told me it's the happy hour.
Yes, happy hour.
So I'm gonna get a free extra coffee, or I will transfer this into juice because I already have 2 coffee this morning, so 3rd coffee, 4th coffee, that's, you know guys, the consequences. Super cool. Big thumbs up, Genius Cafe.
Genius Cafe. Don't forget to come to Genius Cafe. Get the 40% discount.
Oh, and this
for
40% discount, that's super cool guys. That's my coffee with Bobby.
Bobby.
So nice.
Thank you.
I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out.
Alright guys, so having my coffee, got the extra coconut, and the rest of the vlog will be the first person view from the Dunkin' Donuts area coming by bike until the Mertasari beach. So it's the about 7-10 minutes video. I hope so you will enjoy it and you will see how it looks, the Sanur streets during the new normal and during this time. And yes, like always, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you like it, and please share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. I really recommend you to comment below what do you think. Maybe you have any ideas what you would like to see in the next episode, or you want me to show you something, just let me know guys. And new vlog every day 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8, and see you tomorrow guys. And some people asking me where is the Winnie, because why she's not in our vlogs anymore. No, it's not like that. Winnie is very busy with her project, so in the next few days few vlogs will be by myself, but Winnie will be with me in tomorrow's vlog, so don't you worry guys.
Be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you. I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. Hopeless to be holding on to you.
You can't come around just as you please. Pretend leave it be, 'cause I am not your woman. This bird is free. You can play the hero, the gallant knight, on the widest stallion you can find. I just see a zero that's being polite, one easily put out of mind. And you can drive through town wearing nothing but your fake smile, looking like a clown. You should leave it be, 'cause I'll never be your woman. This bird is free.
I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show